The last time I tried this messy bun with braid extension, it came out really good. I noticed this hairstyle is one hairstyle that fits everybody, so I think you can try it out. In this video I'll be showing you how you can achieve a detachable messy bun. So to achieve this, I used a donut bun, my needle and thread with my Brazilian wool. That's all you'll be needing for this. So all I do is just to sew the coiled Brazilian wool to the donut bun. One good thing with this donut bun is it makes the hair looks a bit more fuller. Okay, I already made a video on how you can coil your Brazilian wool. I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description and comment section, so do wait to check it out. Okay, so when you're sewing, don't sew at the middle. You can decide to crochet the extension to the bun. You can still work that way, but I decided to do it this way because it's a lot faster. Just sew towards the end, just like I'm doing now. So when you turn it over and pack it into a ponytail, it will be able to cover the donut bun completely and you won't be seeing it at all. So if you are using this sewing method, make sure you sew tightly, but if you want to crochet, I will advise you to knot it twice so it will be properly secured. You can see now it looks like I did my sewing under the donut bun. Now that I flipped it over, so it's looking as if the donut is on top of the hair. You get? This is what you want to achieve. After sewing the coiled Brazilian wool to the donut bun, separate it to give it more volume. This will make it look more full and beautiful. Then when you're done separating, you pack it into a ponytail. Just keep watching, the video will explain better. So if you watch up to this moment and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do wait to hit the subscribe button right now, okay? And I would love to use this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your massive support. May God bless each and every one of you. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, or you've been watching without subscribing, please do well to hit the subscribe button, okay?